In today's show, my dear viewers, I'm gonna give you information about something called Arnica oil. Arnica is one of the perfect blend that you can imagine, especially if you have problems with your arthritis. If you have knee arthritis, this special oil and my special recipe that I'm going to tell you later in the show is going to help you a lot. So today's show you will learn a lot about Arnica, health benefits, history, uses, and much more. Arnica oil has become very popular due to its pain relieving properties. Arnica oil is an excellent addition to alternative medicine, especially if you're prone to the bruises and the sprain. In addition to the tea and the oil, Arnica is also used in other forms such as perfumes, lotions, anti-dandruff shampoos, creams, and many other herbal preparations. When it comes to the oil, Arnica is recommended only diluted because, in addition to being very powerful medicine, it can be also toxic. In diluted form, Arnica protects against infections and reduces burns. Many professional athletes today use Arnica to relieve pain from the injuries. In the short, that means if you have knee arthritis, hip arthritis, you have any kind of muscle pain, muscle inflammation, maybe in your back, if you use in correct way, Arnica is going to be unbelievably important for you. You heal the process, you accelerate your health benefits, and you accelerate your recovery from this kind of problems in natural. But as always, you must use it in specific way, and that is going to be unbelievably important. Arnica is good. Arthritis treatments in studies have shown to be efficient against osteoarthritis. With osteoarthritis, the typical usage of topical treatments for symptom alleviation is the treatment of hand osteoarthritis. Topical Arnica was equally successful as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug like ibuprofen, according to 2007 study written by the Rheumatology Internally. One of the health benefits using especially on the skin, on the muscles, on the joint, Arnica is going to be help with your carpal tunnel syndrome, improve your circulation. That means you will get better in a very fast way, and also is one of the plant that is used for the hair problems, especially if you have hair loss, is going to be very beneficial for you. Arnica history dating all the way back to 20th century. German nun famed for her sharp observation of nature and physiology. Hildegard of Bingen, also known as Saint Hildegard, wrote about the therapeutic powers of Arnica montana plant. Additionally long used in the Russian folk medicine and the Swiss Alps, this alpine herb has mountain people in the Alpine region have been using it to ease muscular aches and bruises at least since 16th century. If handled incorrectly, the fluffy and fibrous dried Arnica plant blooms can irritate the nose. Because of their slightly tobacco-like texture, Arnica is sometimes known as mountain tobacco. Another fascinating information about Arnica is that the more high the altitude, the more scent of the flowers are supposed to get. Candy, frozen dairy, dessert, gelatins, baked goods, and the puddings are among food products and beverages that occasionally feature Arnica as taste component. Arnica content in the food goods is always quite minute. Arnica finds application in hair tonics and anti-dandruff treatments in manufacturing. Arnica oil find application in many cosmetics and perfumes as well. And usually, and this I'm going to recommend you today, I'm going to give you one recipe that you can make it in your house, in your home, and you can use it especially topically as a cream or the ointment if you have any kind of joint health. This is going to be especially beneficial if you have knee arthritis, hip problems, and similar kind of conditions. Arnica ointment is an organic and natural product that helps treat problems caused by poor circulation. In areas such as folk medicine and homeopathy, Arnica has been highly valued since the ancient times. You can make homemade Arnica ointment according to the special recipe. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of beeswax, 3 tablespoons of shea butter, 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of Arnica oil, 1 vitamin E capsules. Preparation: first melt the beeswax over the low heat in the pot. When the beeswax is melted, add the shea butter and the oils. Do not increase the heat, make sure it's on low, that ingredients do not burn. Mix all ingredients well, and when all ingredients have melted and become uniform, remove from the heat. And usually at the end of this recipe, you can, if you have, you can add vitamin E oil, mix it well together, put it in the glass jar with the lid, seal it, and you can use it for the couple of months in the freezer. Usually I'm going to recommend you use this Arnica oil for your knee problems, maybe 50 days in a row, then 15 days rest period, and you can usually repeat this kind of procedure for many months. But that is also important. You cannot use it and overuse it, this Arnica ointment. A couple of more information. Is it safe to drink Arnica tea? Arnica teas, tablets and other products contain this herb or similar species such as European Arnica, Arnica montana. Should not be taken internally due to their potential toxicity, especially in the male children and the patients with the heart disease. Homeopathic drops or tablets containing Mexican Arnica are usually diluted remedies but should not be taken internally with the prior consent of healthcare professional. Avoid taking the herbal products or supplements containing Arnica during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Do not apply Arnica ointment, lotions or pastes to the broken skin, as this may cause irritation. Discontinue any external use of Arnica product as the first sign of skin inflammation or irritation. Arnica preparation may cause allergy reaction, especially in the people who are sensitive to other plants in the daisy family, such as ragweed, feverweed, for example. And that is also always important. If you can consult your healthcare professional, especially that someone who understands natural remedies and nutrition, a healthy way of living, that is going to be very beneficial. But for today's show, is going to be for you to remember, use this Arnica ointment or Arnica oil externally if you have knee arthritis, hip arthritis, any kind of similar condition. And one information for the end of the show: if you want to hear me on my health web shop, you can find something called Joint Health. Joint Health is unbelievably healthy remedies for everyone who wants to get better with the knee problems. This is the first natural solution in the world that can protect your cartilage and even repair the cartilage destruction. So if you want, below on this video, you can find my web shop with the natural remedies. One of them is going to be Joint Health. So if you use this as this is something in the powder form, and you can mix it in the natural ingredients and you can drink it each day and use the Arnica on your joint, I will believe you will be healthy and much better in a very short period of time. Also, for everyone who does not know yet, I have my mariolab.hr website. This is a website dedicated for everyone who wants to learn about more about nutrition and health benefits of many plants in the world. Right now you can visit, you have a link below the video, visit my website. You will find thousands and thousands new videos, new texts, new blogs, everything about that I'm doing for the last couple of years. You will be blown away. So visit mariolab.hr down below, visit my website. Unbelievably healthy information. Everything of course is free. As the YouTube, my website, everything is free for you, and you will find many information about nutrition and the health benefits. And of course, if you find me helpful for your everyday life, below the video, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, click on the notification button, and on this way you will not miss any of my videos that I make each day. My dear viewers, before we finish with the show, I'm going to recommend you watch this video. Right here is going to be a best vitamin for the help if you have knee arthritis. this video is going to be also very beneficial for you. God bless you. God bless your family. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.